Hi, I'm Carl Purcell and welcome to my studio. Broadstroke is a technique of drawing that I first saw in a book by Ted Kautzky. It was called Pencil Pictures, and I was blown away by the quality of his drawings. They were so beautiful, so pristine, so carefully crafted. So I wanted to learn that, and I followed his book's instructions, and then I realized I don't really want to do this as finished art pieces that are destined for a frame. So I adjusted the technique to fit small drawings in my sketchbook, drawings that would capture the essence of the subject I was looking at and give me enough information to later do a painting from it. So most of my sketchbooks are filled with little drawings like this. I just love this technique for a quick drawing that is fairly refined, and it looks like a final drawing, even though it's a small drawing destined for a painting. I love it, and I know you will too. So here we go.